yet.
Nothing?
Up on the controller. Huh. Good weather conditions. I think it's pretty good conditions.
I think too.
Okay.
Come on. Oh.
Bam! Okay, that's how it's supposed to be.
Did the silver one go higher?
I get a little nervous.
Yep.
Holy shit! Jonah, what engine is that?
Oh, Christ.
Did you see that? Did you hear that?
Do you hear the people in the background? They're like, oh, cool.
Hey, Jonah, man, that's right here, baby. Right here.
I think it's coming to me.
Heads up, guys. It's coming fast.
Is it going to hit me? Ah! Oh my God, it's right next to me.
What engine was that? A C?
Look at that.
Don't touch.
Leg. Rocket. Leg.
Mike.
Rocket.
Hi for you.
Something over here next to you. So
Yeah, we got guidance and we got video. We got 100%.
Can we hit the button? Want me to be the launch pad person?
Yeah, come over here. Check this out. We'll show you what we're doing. Set up. The old one. Hey, I'm done here. It's all yours. So, Tiara, excellent camera work. I must. There you go. I'll definitely give you an A+ for the course. And the key is, irregardless of your personal whatever,
Give me the oil.
irregardless of your personal danger to yourself, you are a trooper. Tiara was a trooper, irregardless of her hurting herself. She was so. Well, I don't know. Yeah, we don't want to lose that sucker.
Oh no.
Hold on. Are you taping?
Yep. Go ahead.
Okay, go ahead, Trev. Hold it down. Oh, damn!
Oh my God, where is it?
Awesome.
Shit! Oh, man.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sit down, Trevor. And ready? Yep.
Yeah.
You got a recovery. It's good. Perfect. Are you
Uh-oh.
E100?
Are we gonna lose it?
No, it's right here.
Okay.
How was that one, Pete? Pretty good?
Yeah.
We got a light.
Tell you when you're ready.
We got action. Sheriff's
Yep, I'm going.
excellent.
That had to be like 900.
Perfect. Uh-oh. Oh, that's the wattage. Perfect. Oh, get out of the way. Let it fall. Oh, nice. Parachute open nice. Oh!
It broke.
Wow. Look at the smoke.
How maybe not? It's made of like a...
Hey, it's no smoking.
Is it okay?
You got it
Strong,
thumbs
good.
up.
All eyes downwind.
Absolutely. Perfect.
Come on, open.
Oh, that's it.
This is what I'm talking. Oh,
See, that's what I see. That's exactly what I'm talking about.
that's how it's supposed to be.
You're supposed to wait till it delays until it hits the vertical, and then open. We control the vertical. Hey, look at the launch pad burning. Look at the sulfur off the grass.
Holy
Tiara.
shit, Tiara, look at that.
Look at that, Trevor.
Totally awesome, dude. Yeah.
Are we a bunch of Meshuggahs or what?
I definitely agree.
Oh my God. No one puts ketchup on a hot dog.
Man, what if that was like a...
That would be so awesome. I'm just.
Yes.
So Tiara's ready. Dad, are you ready? Okay, we're all ready. So here we go.
Oh no, I've got something up there. Alright.
We have a roofer.
Nope, we're good.
Let it. Don't get in the way though.
I'm on the second.
Please, baby. Okay. Uh-oh. Crap.
They go on the roof?
Are we going to lose that one?
Nope, nope. You gonna go up there?
I think third time is a warning.
Ready?
Yeah.
Grab the copper thing above your head.
Oh!
Oh my God, he got up there, man!
Watch your head in that thing, Trevor. Grab a hold of that copper thing above you. Money in the bank. Oh, look, Trevor, look right there. You can get up there to get the rocket right on top of that thing.
Yeah, that's how Geiger did it.
No, you see that?
Got it!
Trevor, do you see the little metal bars? That's how you get up there. See if you can see the rocket from there.
Oh, Geiger, no!
What the hell? Hey, Daddy, you up there? This guy comes and throws his garbage out over here. What a friggin' prick.
Nice.
Look at Trevor, look at...
I'm filming this.
Oh my God.
This is great, man.
This is hilarious.
I wish I could do this.
This is like the raid on Northwood.
This is, totally.
Well, I guess Dad got to the thing.
Oh, Trevor, don't kill yourself, man.
I wonder if you can see him.
No, oh, maybe.
Oh, he even pulling up there.
Can't see him yet. Trevor, where'd you go?
I'm behind you on the left. Diagonal.
Where'd he go? Can he get up to the top?
Hey, Tom! It's Crockett. Where are you?
Where is he?
How many more up there, Dad?
None of that. I had to go to the upper level. I found a Barbie down with her head blown off.
What else?
That's it. A couple of broken softballs.
But there's a rocket in your hand.
Oh yeah, that's a little present for us.
That's one of our possibly.
No. This is the one with this is the nice one with the Do you want to take a picture?
I'm videotaping.
Scanning. Okay, here, I'll give you these two.
Alright, now.
What is stuff? Yeah. John, what do you think of that one, though? Yeah, he's got. Yeah, what's on the road?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. At the end of each night at 5 o'clock, every day you come out and you're going to get at least one or more. The science class is like 50 kids want all their rockets. And
I hope God this doesn't work.
you got a light. Here we go.
Wow! Where is it?
Oh, it's there.
God, was that perfect?
Oh, there it is.
Look at that smoke. Look at that smoke.
All right, quick, get one up there, and we'll send it up there and hit it.
Oh, I found it.
Be like 900 feet.
Where are you going?
Oh, wait, I'm right in the smoke screen here. That was the most perfect launch I've seen. I hope it's not going over, I think I don't want to go on the roof again.
No, it's not that far.
Yeah, watch the light pole, please.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
No, it's not close enough to hit the pole, but is it on the roof again?
Perfect.
Awesome. Woo!